Hello and welcome to the channel. Box turned up today. Let's have a look and see what's in it. This is a mixed set of Yato spark plugs, sockets, standard depth CRV sockets, etc. There's 13 sockets. It looks to me like they're from quite a few different sets because they're different types of sockets. As you can see there, it cost me 99p for 13 sockets. However, the postage was a bit steep at £6.99, so £7.98 altogether, which is fair for 13 sockets. They look new, so let's have a look. They're quite big, some of them. This is a 30mm YT 1219 Yato stamped in there. It's all nice and neatly done. Two-tone finish. You've got chrome on the top, and you have a sand blasted sort of finish there with a knurled ring. Now Yato, I think, is a Polish company, but it's also linked to a Chinese company called Toya, which happens to be a different way of spelling Yato. So these are made in China, but they are made very well. Got rounded off corners there on that one. So that's a 30mm, it's six-sided. Same again, but in 32. YT 1220. Pretty big sockets there. I haven't really got much use for them, but nice to have them. What we got here? YT 1213. This is a 12mm. Again, six-sided. The corners rounded out. Nice. These are 1/2 inch. And we've got YT 1286, which is a 24mm 1/2 inch socket. Now this is a 12-point socket, so it's different to the others. Same finish, chrome, and this sandblasted sort of finish to the bottom. Now we have a Yato 1282, which again is a 1/2 inch. Looks like a slightly different finish on that, but I'm not sure whether it is. No, it's just a bit shinier. This is 20mm 12-point. Got a long socket this time. I'm assuming this is, yeah, this is a spark plug socket. Has the plastic insert down in the bottom. So this is the Yato 1253. The stamping doesn't seem as neat on that as the others. There's a bit missing on the end there, but still seems good quality. 6-point 1/2 inch. This is a 1254. This is 21mm, six-sided 1/2 inch. Little one here, got 11mm. This doesn't seem to have it doesn't have a code on it. 6 sides. This is a 3/8. 11mm, again the same chrome top and sandblasted bottom. This one is a 1205, 12mm 1/2 inch. This is 1464, so I think all the others have been 12 so far, so 1464 in 12mm. Oh, this is a spline socket, so you can see the difference there. Not 12 or 6-sided, it's actually like a spline. Same finish though, chrome sandblasted. That's a 12mm. This is 1204, 11mm 1/2 inch. And second to last, we've got a 1202 9mm 1/2 inch. And last one is the 1210 17mm 1/2 inch. So these are all 1/2 inch on that side. That's a 1/2 inch spline. So these are mixtures of 12 points and 6-sided, which are those. Got a spline, and then we've got a 3/8 11mm. So 13 different sockets. It looks like from at least probably 4 different sets. But yeah, they're alright. They seem to be well made. And for that price, you can't really argue at paying £8 for these sockets. So these will join the toolbox. I haven't got any Yato products at all, so it's just nice to have them. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.